But I heard a ding. What are you doing? Jenny, are you videotaping them?
Mhm.
Yeah. Jenny, you're gonna make it run away! Jenny, you're holding it wrong!
Yeah, I'm gonna
Ew, he's ribbing in poop. Look at the guy. Just look at him. He just misses the wet dirt.
His foot is hurt or something.
No, he's just going like this. He's digging for bugs. Still holding him wrong.
I know. I'm holding the camera.
Jenny, get out of there. I gotta put their water in.